Hey there everyone, so in this video we're going to be comparing the cameras of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro versus the camera of the iPhone X. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so here we're testing the front-facing selfie cameras on both of these devices. And we can already tell a slight difference. You can see that the camera on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro is a little bit more zoomed in, just slightly, while the camera on the iPhone X shows the colors a little bit brighter. Another thing that I notice here is that the shadows on the iPhone X are darker, and the front selfie camera on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro gives your face, my face, like a more lit up look, like if there's more light, and I actually prefer that for selfie shots. I don't think the shadows is very good when taking selfie shots. Alright, so let's go ahead and compare some photos now and other videos. So here we have both cameras side by side, and just comparing the color quality here of each of these shots. I mean, I am very impressed with the camera on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. As you know, it is a Huawei. Most Huawei's are lower end, more inexpensive phones. But the color on the iPhone, just kills it. It gives the picture a much better overall quality, I would say, in my opinion, over that of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. So another important thing, as we can notice, is that the sound recording quality of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro is much better than that of the iPhone X. So there's a pretty cool feature here on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. While you're recording video, you can actually select a option that it gives you to make the colors more vivid. So here we are checking out this option. So you can see the difference here. The color of the grass, now it's much more vivid, even more vivid than that of the iPhone X. Very big difference here. Now the only thing is, we can still tell that the image quality, though the overall sharpness of the camera on the iPhone X is still better than that of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. But this is an option that you may want to consider on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro if you want to give your shots more color. Alright everyone, so let me know down in the comments below which camera you prefer out of both of these. In my opinion, both of them are very good cameras. I would have to say that the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, I prefer the way it shoots selfie videos over that of the iPhone 10, because the iPhone 10 shows more shadows around the face, and that's not good for selfies. But let me know down below in the comments which camera you prefer. I would have to definitely say that the overall best camera here though is the iPhone X's camera, since it has a overall better quality in pictures and videos. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.